The hognose snake, scientifically known as heterodon, is a genus of non-venomous colubrid snakes native to North and Central America. This genus consists of 3 species: the eastern hognose snake, Heterodon platyrrhinos, the western hognose snake Heterodon nasicis, and the southern hognose snake. One of the most prominent features of the hognose snake is its upturned snout, which resembles that of a hog or pig. This specialized snout is used for digging in sandy or loose soil, in search of prey, primarily toads and amphibians. Hognose snakes exhibit variable coloration and patterns, depending on the species and geographical location. They typically have blotches or speckles in various shades of brown, gray, red, or yellow, helping them blend into their surroundings. These snakes have keeled scales, giving them a rough or ridged appearance compared to some other snake species. These keeled scales aid in gripping surfaces and providing traction, especially in sandy or loose soil. When threatened, hognose snakes may exhibit a series of defensive behaviors. They may flatten their bodies, hiss loudly, and even perform a bluff strike, but they rarely bite. If these displays fail to deter a predator, they may feign death by rolling onto their backs and displaying their ventral scales, often accompanied by regurgitating their last meal. This behavior has earned them the nickname puff adder due to their resemblance to venomous snakes in the genus Bitis. Hognose snakes vary in size depending on the species and geographical location. Eastern hognose snakes, for example, typically range from 20 to 33 inches in length, while western hognose snakes can reach lengths of up to 3 feet, in addition to their distinctive defensive behaviors, such as bluff striking and playing dead. Hognose snakes are known for their loud hissing sounds when threatened. This behavior is meant to startle predators and give the snake an opportunity to escape. Hognose snakes exhibit considerable variation in morphology, including differences in scale texture, coloration, and snout shape among individuals and populations. This variability may be influenced by genetic factors, environmental conditions, and selective pressures. When inactive or threatened, hognose snakes often adopt cryptic behaviors to avoid detection by predators. They may flatten their bodies against the ground, hide under leaf litter or debris, and remain motionless for extended periods, relying on their camouflage to remain concealed. The variable coloration and patterns of hognose snakes help them blend into their natural habitats, which include grasslands, forests, deserts, and scrublands. This camouflage helps them avoid detection by predators and allows them to ambush prey effectively. The upturned snout of the hognose snake is adapted for burrowing, allowing them to dig through sandy or loose soil in search of prey such as toads, frogs, and small rodents. This burrowing ability also provides them with refuge from extreme temperatures and predators. While hognose snakes are non-venomous, they have adaptations that allow them to resist the toxins produced by their prey. This resistance is particularly important given their diet, which often includes amphibians with toxic skin secretions. These snakes possess a keen sense of smell, which they use to locate prey, find potential mates, and navigate their environment. Their forked tongues collect scent particles from the air, which are then analyzed by a specialized organ known as the Jacobson's organ, located in the roof of their mouth. They have evolved physiological adaptations to tolerate or neutralize the toxins found in the skin secretions of their primary prey, amphibians. This resistance allows them to consume and digest potentially toxic prey without suffering adverse effects. Some species of hognose snakes, such as the eastern hognose snake, employ a unique feeding strategy known as coloration. They wiggle their tail to mimic the movements of a potential prey item, such as a worm or lizard's tail, to attract prey within striking range. Hognose snakes exhibit behavioral adaptations to cope with environmental fluctuations during colder months or periods of drought. They may enter a state of dormancy known as brumation, where metabolic activity slows down, allowing them to conserve energy until conditions become more favorable. Hognose snakes are ectothermic. They bask in the sun, to raise their body temperature and seek shade or burrows to cool down when necessary.